You want it? You want it? You want it? You know you want it. You want it? Yeah. Yeah, you want it, don't you? You want it, don't you, Tyson? Yeah, you want this airhead, don't you? Don't you, Tyson? Can't have it. Can't have this thing. Can't have it. Can't have it. You know you want 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 it. You want it. Yeah, you know you want this. Airhead. So good that dogs want to eat it. No. Y'all want this airhead, don't you? Ooh, 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 ooh. He's like, get away from my airhead. My airhead. My airhead. No, it's my airhead. My airhead. Battlefield airhead. Go, Tyson. I got money on the fat dog. Oh, go. Go, Tyson. Go. Oh. Beat him up. Mess him up. Mess him up, Tyson. Mess him up. And Tyson wins. You want the airhead? No, you want the airhead. Ooh, she's like, nah, I want the airhead. Oh, give me that airhead. I want the airhead. Eat him. Eat him, Tyson.
No, he's not. The dogs are playing and Caleb's just being,
I'm gonna take down in my hair, relax.
stubborn.
You want it, don't you? Oh, yeah. You know you want the airhead. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, go on. So you know you want the airhead. You want the airhead, don't you? Come on. Air dog. I'm gonna have an airhead. Hey, airhead. You want an air? Hey, Tyson, you want an airhead? Here's an airhead. Here's an airhead. Airheads. Come on, Tyson.
No, he didn't even block.
Come on. Taste it won't have you. You know how good it will be. Taunting you in your face that you want to eat it. Ah, yeah, you can take a whiff of that. Yeah, you want it, don't you? Ah, he got. Oh yeah. Tyson, you can taste it. No, no, mine, Caleb. Stop it! You little piece of. You. No. Tyson. Mom. Mom, look at this. Mom. Stop. Please. Let go. Hey, Christy, look at this. Ah! Let go. Tyson. Stop. It's my airhead. You can't even open it. Give me my airhead. You little sassafras dog. My airhead. Give me my airhead. No. Ain't fair. Oh, thank God. He's like, I give up. No, he didn't. Whole thing's on here. They want it. Yeah, telling you in your face. My airhead now. My airhead. Yeah. Tell us that he can get my airhead. Think again.